Alright guys, so hi. Today's video, as you can today's video is just gonna be another one of my dad's furniture stuff that he does, like another one of his creations or stuff like that. He did a bed base, this time from scratch, from like, you know, starting all the way up. Some of the clips were lost. We're very sorry for that. Some of the clips were lost. We're very sorry. It was a bit of a mix-up, but we lost just a few of them, nothing much, but just a little few parts. But still, I hope you guys enjoy this video, you know, seeing what he does and stuff like that. So we're gonna show you guys the video now. So daddy's here marking boards to make a bed base or bed feet, something like that. So just showing you guys what he's doing.
Yes, this is like a part when him just starting. This is like first part as we go along and him start frame it up and all of that, you know. This is like cutting up the board and all of that. He's marking the measurements to cut the board. He's making a king size or bed base. So this is the starting point. So as it progresses, will take you along. Okay, now family, so see what we're showing. You have one short side on, you have the other long side going around, and then the other short side. So you have an idea when I talk about now. So the other long side left for one. So I'm going to put on the other long side and we're going to have one, and then now the other two are going to come together. So when we finish the other one and the two of them put together, we'll show you so we have a king size base. And then we'll proceed because it's going to be covered in fabric. So we'll proceed from there. Okay, now family, so we have the king size base all lined up and see separately. Two different bases. They are put together to give you one base. May I do this because that's not with camera. Even though we tell him so the camera not going. That says the measurement of the king size is 76 across by 80 long. So I'm going to catch it and show you all that he was really accurate. He's on point. So shoot them up the camera, girl. 80 in length. That's what he says. The king size measurement is 80 and point with the 80. Put them up good on that. And then now across, he says it's supposed to be 76. So we can't do this chilling apart, we can't do this too. Because I need to get along, you know. I can't make it enough. But certain little things like this, roll the tape across, I can't do it. So catch them for this, catch them. 76 and point. So there we have it. And it's not true. When I'm going to do now, I'm going to start put the lot them across. And then he says there's supposed to be a specific measurement between each other. So as for the mattress, when the mattress go on it, the mattress don't drop down and makes an impression. So I'm going to lay them off separate. Then when return, you're going to see how I'm lay them, show you the space in between. I'm going to show you how to that thing and all of that. Because he's also going to put some foam on it, and then it's gonna cover it with fabric. So when it's finished, locked it off and stuff, we're gonna come back and show you. Okay, now family, see this is a full king size bed base, all latted off and everything put together properly. That's where it's at now. So yeah, that will gonna be foaming off and covering with the fabric. So when that is finished, we'll come back and show you the finished product. Okay, now family, so okay, now my paris, so this is a finished product of the king size bed base. So the 2 foot, so everybody together, you can see up there, so everything sponge off and the fabric is on and the mattress tape is stitched and the edge all of that. So this is another one of dad's finished product, and the mattress, king size mattress, is right over here waiting to go right on the base. Mattress right there waiting to go right on the base. That is another one of dad's handiwork.
Alright guys, so now that you've seen the video, hope you guys have liked it. Have you maybe tell us a bit of inspiration or something like that for your own self. So yeah, I hope you guys have liked it. Make sure to continue to like, subscribe, and thank you for your support and your kindness and all that stuff, guys, because if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here, we wouldn't be growing as we are now. So thank you guys so much for that, and yeah, I hope you guys had enjoyed the video. So bye.